Uplift to elephant umbrella. If I go now 99. Mpagi na mmaga mangwagi ya. Kedu ife bora Mike na dragere Sabalo.
Una go do ritual finish. Come they use come meditate the cover face. Una go they do as I work they deceive us. Say una back up us every time. Now una God they bless. Una go make us feel say God don't love us. Una don't too much. Una be ritualists. Una be Yahoo boys. Una don't too much. Wicked people. Sabalo, I will expose you today.
Kerizim bora Mike gejena drage Sabalo. Na ritualist. It make sense. But Mike na Sabalo ritualist no ruru 1 million subscribers on YouTube. Oje nwere 15 million followers on Facebook. That has been in industry for 10 years. Makano ogoro G-Wagon. And the Baramaki ngoro work itself have been making money from the internet. Gina body guy ritualist or make sense. Uplift to elephant umbrella. Also, eman kide make them see ike. Mind your business. Nko bi na-eme, mind your business. Igbo Sabalo ritualist. Ngo obodo Mike, you are also a ritualist makana. If I Sabalo na-eme, ki na-emekwa. Can you get if be your problem? Can it be your problem? For due to Facebook engagement, you know, turn no ki get be money equation ga. Can you mind our business? Somebody has been working on this platform for 10 years, and also somebody who has make an impact for himself. Imagine chef na Sabalo bubu get man. Sabala hefo na mbo obu get man. Ngo obu Mike imagine chef na mbe e gara obodo Igbo bata. All internet be more no ifuru but today. Gi nwa onu ya ase Sabala no bu ritualist. Then if ile na igobe G-Wagon ogoro. Ka if ga-eme you so hard on your own to buy more. Obura gị pụtara na gị na-achọ okwu na-achọ ebe okwu gafere. But Mike, ị gafego this level. You don't pass this level. Ezokwu na ebu blogger, bụrụkwa an influencer. But ị na-eme your work, channel your energy to something reasonable. Ọ ga-make more sense. Ọ bụ ibe na gị na-drag onye mana that has worked so hard for himself. Not only on Facebook, but also on YouTube. If you make a game with 1 million subscribers on YouTube, these people has worked so hard in and out. Share this video.